In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Robinhood spending account and get your Robinhood cash card. Before we jump in, a quick note on eligibility so you don't hit roadblocks later. You'll need to be at least 18 years old, be a US citizen or hold a valid US visa, have a valid social security number and a US residential address. If you meet those requirements, you're ready to go. Start by downloading the official Robinhood app from your device's app store and opening it. If you're new to Robinhood, create an account and complete the standard sign up. If you already have an account, sign in as you normally would. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version so all the features you need appear correctly. Once you're in, look for the cash or spending icon represented by a card symbol near the bottom of the screen. Tap that to get into the spending section. This is where you'll apply for a Robinhood spending account, which is the checking-like account that powers the debit card. Follow the prompts to start your application. You'll be asked for personal details such as your legal name, date of birth, address, and social security number for identity verification. Enter everything accurately and exactly as it appears on your government-issued identification. If your address recently changed, make sure it matches USPS records to avoid delays. When you've reviewed your information, submit the application. Approval is usually quick, often just a few minutes, though it can take longer if additional verification is needed. Keep an eye on your notifications in the app. If Robinhood requests any clarifications, respond promptly to keep things moving. Once you're approved, head back to the spending section and request the Robinhood cash card. The app will guide you through confirming your details and setting up card preferences. Right after that, you'll receive a virtual card you can use immediately for online purchases and to add to mobile wallets. If you prefer a physical card, you can request one to be mailed to your address. Delivery times vary by location, so watch for tracking updates if they're provided. After your card is set up, consider customizing security settings. You can lock and unlock the card from the app, set a PIN, and manage notifications for transactions. If you plan to use ATMs or set up direct deposit, review the details and any applicable limits or fees in the app so there are no surprises. That's it. Download the app, sign in, apply, get approved, and start using your virtual or physical Robinhood cash card.